Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2021 Ram 1500 Laramie, so let's go take a look. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have your color match bumpers. They do have the built-in park sensors all along the bottom, and then you're gonna have your two black tow hooks as well. LED headlights and fog lights on this one. Then you're gonna have your black grille inserts with your chrome Ram badging. The hood is a sport hood. And then coming underneath, you're gonna have your 5.7 liter Hemi with your 8-speed automatic transmission. Along the side of this one, you're gonna have your 20-inch chrome rims, color matched mirrors on this one, and they are heated. You're gonna have the chrome Ram badging, color matched door handles with your proximity entry. This one is the 5.7 box. And then coming into the back, you're gonna have the color matched bumpers with the built-in rear park sensors, dual exhaust on this one, and then you're gonna have your 4 and 7 pin wiring and your hitch receiver, chrome badging. Your backup camera is right here, and you do have your color matched tailgate handle, soft drop open tailgate. It does have your LED bed lights, but now we're gonna check out the front. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have your black Laramie leather seats. They are heated and cooled, and they're gonna have suede detailing on them as well. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel, and then you have lots of storage in your two center consoles. The top is lined and it has a USB plug-in. You have a sliding cup holder piece, great for covering anything private if you're parked out in public. And then you're also going to have your wireless charger pad, and underneath that is a 115 volt plug-in. Lots of storage up in your two glove boxes here, and they both are lined as well. This one does have your big 12-inch screen. It has navigation. You also have the option to hook up your phone for Bluetooth. You have access to your backup camera. You can deploy your bed steps as well. Then you're also gonna have all the controls for your heated, cooled seats and your heated steering wheel. Dual climate control on this one, which you can access right here. And then this one also does have your travel link as well, so you can see fuel prices, any sports teams when they're playing. You can see the weather, local movie listings near you. You can access your SiriusXM subscription, and then you can favorite any of those options. And then you're also gonna have the controls for your radio. Coming down a little bit lower, you do have your built-in trailer brake control. You have the option to turn on and off your traction control, and then you can turn on and off front and rear park sensors, as well as your tow haul mode. All your four-wheel drive buttons are right here. On the steering wheel itself, all of your hands-free controls are on the left-hand side and your cruise controls are on the right. You have buttons on the back, and that is to switch between radio stations, turn up and down the volume, and switch between your songs. You have memory seats on this one, so two people can drive this truck and then it'll remember who was driving it last. Power folding mirrors on this one. You're also going to have your auto headlights. That just means if someone's coming towards you and you have your high beams on, it's automatically going to dim to your low beams. Harmon Kardon sound system on this one as well. And then you're going to have a 12 volt plug-in up here. Your mirror is auto dimming. And then you're going to have all of the controls for your panoramic sunroof, as well as your power sliding rear window. This one also has a button to drop your tailgate. But now we're going to finish up in the back. You're going to have heated rear seats in this one. And then your middle seat does fold down. It has two cup holders and a center console in it. The center console is lined. The controls for your heated seats are right here. You're also gonna have two USBs, two USB-Cs, and a 115 volt plug-in. So everyone is covered for long road trips. They're gonna have somewhere to plug in their devices. Two cup holders as well. And then your passengers can also control their own airflow. Lots of storage in the back of your seat pockets on both sides. All-weather floor mats on this one, and there is your storage bins underneath with some additional storage in your doors. Your seats do flip up. There is some additional storage under here, great for groceries or any sort of sports equipment. If you want to make this Ram yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.